Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we're going to be focusing on how you can build and maximize an information products business. Now, you may have heard this referred to as info products, and some people even use the broader term internet marketing. Now, you're going to be able to use the tactics that you learn in this course to sell physical products and or tangible services on the internet. However, we're going to focus this course on digital products. Now, with digital products, you don't have to have an inventory. It's an easier business as a result of that to run from home and generate significant income. And you don't have to have a lot of startup capital in order to get it started. Now, we're going to be talking about a solid business model. And it really is a result of the best practices of successful marketers. And we're not be talking about specific tactics within internet marketing. So we're not talking about CPA marketing. We're not talking about video marketing or PPC. Now, all of those things are things that you can do inside of this one key business model, but we're not going to be focusing on any one thing like that. Now, if you understand and you can execute this model we're going to be talking about in this course, you will not have to be a traffic master. So you will not have to know SEO. You will not have to be able to do PPV or any of those things. You will be able to use those things to enhance this model, but you won't have to know any of those to generate a significant income online. Now, we'll be showing you how to generate or how to leverage the best interest of affiliates. And they're going to want to promote your product because basically they'll be making more income on any particular promotion that they do for you. And this course is not going to be based on loopholes. So you're not going to have to worry about whether or not Google is going to slap you. You're not going to have to worry about whether or not YouTube or Amazon or anyone has changed the rules. This is based on the value you provide. We're going to be showing you how to do that. Now, this method is always going to work. It's always going to be in place to sell information products. It was working 5 years ago. It's working right now, and it'll probably work in the future because it's really based on the value you're providing to your customer as well as to your partners and affiliates. Now, this model describes a proven way of how to build an information products business. First, it's going to be based on getting targeted traffic. Then it's going to be based on converting those visitors to subscribers. Then converting those subscribers to buyers. It's also based on you as the owner of the system working with your buyers, not just as an affiliate or not just as someone who has generated a lead. You will be the owner of your system and you will be learning how you can work with your buyers. Now, here's something that you want to know here at the outset, kind of as an overview. No bot or no automated process is going to bring money to you. Only human beings have credit cards, and if you can provide value on a consistent basis to people that you focus on, you're going to be able to generate a significant income. We're going to be talking about that in this course. Now, here's what you need to understand. Regardless of what you choose to do, in order to generate a long-term sustainable income, you must master this model. You must know how to get targeted traffic. You must know how to convert those visitors to subscribers, convert those subscribers to buyers, and then how to own your system. If you master this model, everything you do will be leveraged. Everything that you learn will be leveraged. Everything that you do in internet marketing will be leveraged, and that is how you will continually generate a significant income. Now, I want to give you a visual of what the model actually looks like. Now, this is the sales funnel overview, and this is what we're going to be talking about in this course. And you'll notice that it is simple. It's based on a front-end offer. It's based on another upsell or an OTO, an upsell and an OTO after that, and an upsell and an OTO after that. You may notice that you don't see the word downsell. I'm going to be explaining how that works inside of this course. This is the model that when you generate targeted traffic to it, it will generate perpetual cash flow. So you'll want to keep it handy so that you will be able to understand in context what we're talking about in the course and how it fits into your being able to leverage what you're doing and generate a significant income. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.